Editing for clarity and coherence in academic writing. Hello everyone. Today, we're diving deep into a crucial aspect of academic writing, editing for clarity and coherence. This is the final touch to make your writing shine and communicate your ideas effectively. Let's get started. Clarity and coherence are two essential pillars of academic writing. But what do they mean? Clarity ensures that your writing is easy to understand. It requires precise wording, proper sentence structure, logical organization of ideas. Coherence is all about how your ideas flow. It ensures that your sentences and paragraphs transition smoothly. Your arguments progress logically. Your entire paper feels unified and cohesive. 1. Choose simple words over complex ones. Avoid jargon unless necessary. Opt for simple, straightforward language. 2. Vary sentence lengths. Mix longer, complex sentences with shorter, punchy ones. 3. Stay active. Use the active voice instead of the passive voice when possible. For instance, the research was conducted by John. Could be John conducted the research. 1. Use transition words. Words like however, moreover, thus, and therefore can guide readers through your logic. 2. Maintain consistency. Stick to one idea per paragraph. Start with a topic sentence, then elaborate. 3. Revisit your thesis. As you write, consistently refer back to your thesis or main idea. This keeps your writing focused and relevant. 1. Take a break. Before editing, step away from your paper. Returning with fresh eyes can help you spot inconsistencies and unclear passages. 2. Read aloud. Sometimes, hearing your words can highlight areas that need refinement. 3. Ask a peer. A fresh perspective from someone unfamiliar with your work can provide valuable insights. Editing for clarity and coherence is more than just fixing typos. It's about refining your writing to communicate your ideas effectively and seamlessly. Remember, good academic writing is not about showcasing complex vocabulary, but about presenting ideas in an accessible and logical manner. We hope this video helps you in your academic writing journey. Happy writing!